Open it up. What is it? Keep opening it. Rip it, babe. Look at that pretty paper. Say, Mr. Joe did a good job. Come on. Oh, this could be a long Christmas morning if we do this. What's that, Bailey? Good job. Can you see it? Bailey, what's the present? What is it? Bay, what is it? Look at it. What's that? Yeah? Is it a farm? Come on, keep ripping the paper. Oh. You want me to open it? What is that? Please? Bailey, please? Say thank you. Bailey, say thank you. Thank you. Say thank you, Hannah and Joe. Ho, ho, ho.